Hello, just wanted to show you the painting that I'm going to be adding next to my video workshops on my website. If you would like to take part in any of them, just pop over to deniseallen.co.uk and you will find all the details you need to sign up and join, and I hope you enjoy painting this wonderful view of a Maldives sunset. All I'm doing here, what I'm trying to do is actually just get rid of the white paper. I'm quite happy to see some of that texture. Gold. Well, like I say, quinacridone gold is perfect as well. A tiny touch of the magenta. Now here I'm adding a bit more of my Naples yellow. And then pick up a bolder bit. That's yummy. Okay, it's your turn to do some of the sea now. Over to you.